Good morning, everybody. 4/7/2020. Here's the fear indicators right here on the VXN. And right now, these are at 100 and they're at 94. So that means at that opening bell gap, when the fear indicator, which is equal to the NASDAQ 100, is going higher, then equities are pulling back. We could see a big breakout here on the fear indicator on the VIX, referred to as the volatility index, 14 cents a teeny, 85 IR, which is strong, and that is strong. That means that equities are getting weak at the moment in the price discovery. We still have 11 minutes for the first hourly bell, but we could see immediately when that fear indicator broke higher, then we started seeing where those indexes and some of these gaps and some of these equities started to pull back right away, and that's part of the price discovery. Now, Dow's up 507 points. NASDAQ is up 101. Or it was. Yeah, it still is. And not only that, you could take a look at the S&P, which hit our target on the upside. This is the reversal. So if the fear indicator just comes straight back down, then that means that equities would hold their bottom and go straight right back up. And I can go ahead and pull an example up. Here's the fear indicator on the NASDAQ 100. This is your VIX, the fear indicator, S&P 500, and it's strong. So as we go through this opening bell, we're going to monitor this relative to stock prices, relative to option open entry prices, and the willing to be disciplined and understand how to identify when the fear indicators do break higher, equity prices go down. When fear indicators go lower, stock prices go up. So, opening bell, 40 minutes, opening bell. So it's 10:20 p.m. Eastern Time, 7:20 a.m., 7:21 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Fear indicator is coming down right now. It is dropping. So that means that when that drops, then stock prices are going to hold up. And as we move forward through the day, this will be the primary focus to measure where that sentiment is by gauging what we see here and the way that stock prices, particularly in the option pit with inflated prices. Oh yeah. But we're starting to see some reversals right now and whatnot. And so, like I said, my target was up there right around that 2790 area on that S&P, that it was very possible. And just so everybody knows, we did hit right above into my target there at 2756. And then it reversed, and it did. The last print on the S&P, just so people know, on the S&P 500 index is 2709. Now, that is a reversal gap, okay? And we got evidence now. On the NASDAQ index, the highs were 8305, and then they dropped it down. The low is 8139. It's printing at 8166. Still positive, 85.55, 1.05%, but it doesn't matter. What matters is that that top gap did come down, and we have evidence. We do have equities that did go into reversal. NOW is one. NVDA, which it should. It hit the top. One of the ones that we like that's holding up, that LRCX, we're looking at taking that one down as well. High is 265, so it already has a reversal, positive on the day. Apple, once again, positive $3, hitting on the highs. The highs. Oh, yes. They have those highs in there at 271. So the thing about it is, here's the fear indicators. You have a big green bar. Uh-oh, that one's breaking higher. That means that equities just dropped like a bomb. And we're getting that price discovery. Yes, we are. How to gauge those fear indicators. Not only that, then that is part of the price discovery. Let it be known in the option pit.